All I wanna do is to change my vocals. I go like know how I go sound, that's a woman.
All I wanna do is to change my vocals. I would like know how I go sound, that's a woman. All I wanna do is to change my vocals. I would like know how I go sound, that's a woman.
All I wanna do is to change my vocals. I would like know how I go sound, that's a woman.
Hey everyone, I'm back again with an interesting video, and in this video I'm going to show you how I was able to transform my voice into a different voice that could be a female voice or any other voice that sounds totally different from your original voice using artificial intelligence, that is AI. But have in mind, this platform that I'm about to share with you guys made it possible that you can try the platform for free but with limited functionalities. Then if you love it, you can then go ahead to subscribe for a plan. Sit tight as I walk you through how to use your single vocals to generate different models of vocals that sound super professional and realistic. So the AI platform is called Audimee, as you can see on the screen, and you see they said unlimited vocals, creative freedom. With this platform you can actually convert your vocals, which is to transform it into the list of models they have, which this one right here is one of it, followed with this, but don't worry, I'm going to show you the whole list. You can also train your voice, as you can see here. You can also isolate vocals, mix voices, and make harmonies. So on this platform, the first thing you need to do, of course, is to sign up. And the best part is they gave you an option to try it out for free, but it comes with some limitations. All right, so once you're here, you click on convert, so it will bring you to this page. Here is where you choose the different models they have. So as you can see, it's a whole lot. And if you look closely, you can see to upgrade before you can use this one, which means you need to pay before you can actually use this. But these other three are the ones you are allowed to use. So let me quickly preview them so that you can hear.
Oh yeah, been living this life so patient. We won't hesitate to break down the garden gate.
It never fades away. You're staying.
You can hear how realistic and clean they sound. So let me play the ones that requires you to pay so that you can also see the quality.
Do you ever wonder about me?
Tell me pretty lies, put me in the face. Tell me
I talk bullshit a lot. No more fuck shit, I'm done. So I wanna let you know that I tried so hard and got
something's got a hold on me lately. Birds flying high, you know how I feel.
So now let me go back. The next thing you're gonna do is either you upload your recorded vocal sample or you record it directly on the platform. These are the things you need to watch out for. First, the vocal sample you're going to use should be free of reverb, delay. It should be dry and raw, preferably if it is mono. All right, and try as much as possible to reduce the background noises there. Though on this platform they have the option to remove noise, but for a better output and quality, just try as much as possible to tame the background noise. So if you upload it, let me pick one so that I can show you in real time. So let's use this one. Now we have this is the raw voice. I'm trying out this AI too. Wanna know whether it's powerful, transforming my natural vocal, making me sound like another person. Below here are features that you can actually use to enhance the quality of the uploaded sample. Here is if you're going for the auto-tune kind of effects, all you need to do is to choose the key and set how much of the pitch and how much of the vibrato you are going for. But we're not going to use that because we just want to convert the voice. And here is the pitch editor, and the beautiful thing here is you can actually know what all these features are. So you can see the information below. So the pitch shift is also very important. Then below is the conversion strength. It says decrease to retain more characteristics and articulation from the input. and it is useful when the input is non-English. High values may introduce artifacts. Now below here is the isolate vocals. You can see these features. You can remove instrumentals. Let's say you have a song, you just want to take out the instrumentals, simply engage this. You can take out background vocals by engaging it, remove reverb and echo by engaging it, and then remove noise by engaging this one. But these are the two I'm going to activate. Reason is, where I'm making this recording is not fully treated acoustically, so I believe the room echo and all that maybe will slip into the recording, so but engaging this will help get rid of that. And then if there is any room noise, this remove noise will take care of it. So I'm going to leave this at 70. It's 70, and when I tried it, it is actually cool. So now that we've set all these parameters, let's say I want to convert that voice to female. I will simply choose female. To make things easier for you, you can just select female here, and it will bring up all the females existing on the platform. You can see the pitch range. If you're going for low, mid, high, they made it a lot easier. And then whichever one you like, you can favorite it. So let me choose this one. Selected that, you click convert. First of all, I'm going to leave it at default, which is 0, and try it. Then after, I will increase it to 12 to see output. Alright, as you can see, it is done. So this is before.
I'm trying out this AI too. Wanna know whether it's powerful.
And this is after.
I'm trying out this AI too. Wanna know whether it's powerful. Transforming my natural vocal, making me sound like another person. I'm trying out this AI too. Wanna know whether it's powerful. Transforming my natural vocal, making me sound like another person. AI too.
That's a little bit harsh and pitched, so let me bring it down a little bit and see. Let's go for 6, and also pay attention here and see time left. I have 11 minutes 6 seconds more chances to try and generate with this platform, and I think it renews after every, I'm not sure about that, but I think it renews, but you're only allowed to use 3 vocal models for the free tier. So while waiting for this, okay, it is done, so let's check it out.
I'm trying out this AI too. Wanna know whether it's powerful. Transforming my natural vocal, making me sound like another person. AI too. Wanna know whether it's powerful.
Alright, you heard that, and I think this sounds more better than that of the 12, but I think it depends on the input sample. Alright, so experiment with it and figure out which works best for you. And once you're done generating, simply come over here and click download. Alright, so that is exactly how to use this platform to create realistic sounding vocals from just your raw vocals, which is very good for situations where you want to do harmony backups and you don't want it to sound just the same voice, which is your voice. So if you want to use this to create harmonies, you need to upgrade to unlock that feature. So let me show you what putting everything together, what it will sound like.
All I wanna do is to change my vocals. I would like know how I go sound, that's a woman. All I wanna do is to change my vocals. I really wanna know. Can you show me Yeah.
If you really want to enjoy and get the best out of this platform, I think it is super important to upgrade. And if you check their pricing, it's not that too expensive. And that brings us to the end of today's video. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, share your thoughts in the comments, subscribe, and most importantly, turn on your bell notifications so when next I upload videos like this, you get notified. As always, stay creative, stay focused, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.